You guys know I love to eat in my car. Just get a nice breakfast burrito, squeeze some ketchup on there. Hopefully I don't spill. No! Oh my god. If you guys are debating between the white or black Tesla seats, then look no further. What is up, guys? It's Chris with Everydaychris, and welcome back to another episode of Chris Talks Tesla. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you why I think the white Tesla seats are the way to go, even though it does cost extra. So Tesla doesn't give you that many choices on their interior color. You get black, white, and if you have a Model S or X, you can also choose the cream color. Not only that, getting black is free. However, getting a white interior does cost extra. For the Model 3 and Model Y, it's $1,000 extra. So the Tesla seats are supposed to be one of the most comfortable seats ever. And while it isn't Mercedes caliper with the built-in shiatsu massage, I can definitely agree the seats are super comfortable. Now, the second and the most important reason why people are worried to get white Tesla seats is that it stains super easily. I found that without any coating, the Tesla seats are pretty durable and stains come off pretty easily. However, with the coating, it just makes it that much easier. I did a video which shows how you can coat your Tesla seats to protect against stains, making cleanup easy. So make sure you guys click on the link for that video. In that video, I also tested common stains such as ketchup, dirt, as well as even food dye to see if the ceramic coating holds up and protects the seats. And let's talk about the seat creases. Because everything is kind of flat, there aren't that many creases in the Tesla seats. One weird thing I did kind of wish they did was complete the leather stitching all the way to here. Because it's leather all the way to here, or fake leather I should say. And it just stops right here. However, a nice little added touch I noticed was that they put some felt on here, so this plastic buckle doesn't keep hitting this console over here. So that was pretty cool. Another thing is, if you have huge thunder thighs like I do, your legs definitely come out. However, because the bolster isn't that high, it kind of allows you to lean onto it. So if you look at the bolster, it's not as sturdy, allowing you more room. And the Tesla seats can go forward, back, up, and down, as well as a 4-way lumbar support. In the Tesla, my legs still can't go that far back. However, I just have so much more space to stretch out. Unfortunately, you cannot adjust the built-in headrest as it is built in. However, I'm 6'3" and the wife is 5'5", and we haven't had any issues feeling uncomfortable. If you look here, there's good enough space for your upper body if you're a wide set person. When you see the white Tesla seats, already the interior seems more premium and open. When you look at a Tesla from the outside with black seats, you can't see anything on the inside and it just doesn't look that nice. However, when you look at the same Tesla with white seats, it looks crazy different and it looks so much more inviting and open. And let's quickly talk about the heated and cooled seats, or lack of. Unfortunately, if you suffer from sweaty back syndrome, make sure to max the AC, as there aren't any vents for the cooled seats in the Tesla. However, one good thing about the Tesla seats are the heated seats. Unlike my Lexus, where the seats just stay mildly warm, the Tesla seats warm up quickly and provide sufficient warmth to heat up that hiney of yours. And one thing I did want to point out is because I'm much taller, in my Lexus, I have difficulty sitting straight because the headpiece here kind of juts in. However, with the Tesla, they made sure they addressed that. And if you look, it's pretty flush with the car. At the end of the day, white or black, it's all about personal preference. And I was really debating between spending the extra $1,000 to upgrade to the white seats. However, considering all the Tesla friends I know that had black seats and wish they upgraded to the white seats, I'm glad I chose the white seats and I can't go back. So far, I haven't had any issues with the white seats, and having the white seats just make the car more fun and enjoyable to drive. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next week.